Simon, called the Zealot, left everything to follow Jesus, and his fiery faith never dimmed, even unto death. Simon, one of the 12 apostles, was known for his passionate commitment to God. He preached the gospel across Egypt, Persia, and possibly even Britain, tirelessly converting hearts to Christ. Tradition says Simon faced intense persecution for his work, and he was ultimately martyred for refusing to renounce Jesus. Different accounts report that he was either sawn in half in Persia or crucified in Syria around AD 65. Simon's zeal never wavered. His courage in spreading the gospel inspired countless believers, showing that true faith demands boldness. Simon's life teaches us that a fiery faith can conquer fear, and devotion to Jesus lasts beyond death. Share this video if you'll boldly follow Jesus, and subscribe to the Beatz Breaker for more stories of apostles who gave their lives for the gospel.